Yeah, nah, AI is undefeated, nigga. If y'all aren't on AI, I don't know. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah, this is hard. I would have moved this more up to the top. This would have been quicker. I don't need all the extra shit. Oh my, yeah. If y'all not getting with AI, bro, I don't know what y'all doing, you know what I'm saying?
Made 100K from CPU. Can't imagine myself without you. If I ain't had loud, I don't know what I'll do. Nigga be grabbing that shit ain't cool. Come to my house, we can fuck in my pool. Nigga, bring in my house, I'ma put him on the news. I was real young, I was trapping in school. Nigga, we can shoot it out, nigga, we can have.
Yeah, you feel me? This is how it looks. Getting my site right. You feel me? Got AI building my site right now as we speak. You feel me? Let's go. Says, you feel me? I'm about to craft you an incredible landing page for the Book of Sauce. You feel me? Sheesh. I done paid people, so many people with shit to build me shit like this, and now we got AI to just come with it. Hold on, let's see the results. I done paid $1,500 to. Ooh, look at that! Oh shit! Yeah, your boy getting right. Ooh, look at that! It quick, bro. I typed this prompt that I had put in. You feel me? And I got like a good prompt, but you know, I put that in. Probably took me maybe 5 minutes max to just kind of come up with everything. Maybe 2, 3 minutes for real. And would you look at this? God damn, you feel me? I got this. I got the credit, you feel me? Unlock 100K in business funding. Yep, I like the way they kind of did that. This green, I'm gonna probably change the green to be a little different color. It should be less, a little bit better green. It should be different, but I thought I chose something different, but okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, let's see why the Book of Sauce works. All right, see what they talking about. Of course, I can edit all of this. This is just, you feel me? I can either change the code, do it again, to just tweak a few things, and you only want to change like 1 or 2 things at a time, and then you feel me, so it doesn't confuse you sometimes. But for the first one, I just went ahead and you put everything, and there's a way to structure it, but you just put everything. Then I'm gonna one by one, you feel me, tweak it. But I could also just take this now, edit it, and go publish it on my site, and it will be up right now. You feel me? But so this will be up. Let's see if we want this. Okay, what makes this course? Okay, why the Book of Sauce works. This isn't just another credit repair guide. It's a comprehensive system that has helped thousands of people transform their financial lives and build successful businesses. Now, that's facts. I've helped a lot of people transform their financial lives. You feel me? Build successful businesses. Haven't done that yet, but I can definitely help people on that. Let's go to, you feel me, credit score optimization. Debt elimination tactics. Yep, I got a lot of these business funding secrets. Yep, that's in there as well. Legal protection, understanding your rights, and stuff like that. I got some a new course too that I'm dropping on how to protect yourself from identity theft. 100%. I'm gonna teach you all the ways the scammers and hackers are, using your and gonna be able to use how they're able to use your social or your credit profile to cash out 50K. I'm gonna teach you all the different things that they would do or somebody would do if they were trying to scam you. So that way you don't get scammed, you feel me? Coming from the man who knows all the sauce himself. And you feel me? So boom. Then I'm gonna also teach you how to protect your identity 100% to make sure nobody will ever like mess with it. I'm gonna show you how to be able to find if any of your information is publicly available on all these sites, and even if your information is available on the dark web. And then, you feel me, if your information is available publicly on these sites, I'm gonna teach you how you can get them all removed really easily and have a site that'll do it for you every month to make sure every month they'll do a scan on the web to see if any of your information got leaked. And then I can go teach you where you can find out if your password was in a data leak, if your email was in a data leak, all these different places that you can go and check, like the dark web and all these things. Then if that is, you obviously want to update your password, because that password is, you feel me, compromised. And if they got the password to one account, they can most likely log into all your other accounts, because 9 times out of 10, people be using the same passwords, and I bet you use the same password. But don't worry about it, we're gonna get you right. Okay, what makes this course different? Real world results, that's facts. Feel me? I done helped hundreds, damn near thousands of people boost their credit score, get their shit looking right like this, help hella people get funding, get 20K loans, get to 800 credit score. I done built up from 0 to 800 credit score. And you feel me? step by step, easy blueprint to follow, limit access, money back guarantee. There's definitely no money back guarantee. If you buy that, I'm gonna remind you, if you buy this for me, it's the one-time thing. What's inside the book? Over 300 pages of actionable strategies, templates, and insider secrets that credit repair companies don't want you to know. Now, that's facts for sure. I'm teaching you all the newest up-to-date sauce, all personally for me. It's so much freaking crazy sauce jam-packed up in there. It's only 12 pages, though, or like 14 pages, but everything is squeezed. I'm talking about every freaking sentence, every line is just jam-packed with value. Like, I just had to squeeze everything all in 14 pages, but I'm also going to make a video course that goes along with it. And that's where I'm going to, just talk more and break everything down. But everything's just really concise in there and in simple terms, breaks it down quick. It's like jam-packed. Each sentence is fucking powerful. So you just really got to read it. I'm going to edit some of these things, but I like these. Oh, yeah, some exclusive bonuses. I'm going to be giving some bonuses around. I like this. Oh, shit, get a pre-freebie, download a free chapter. Oh, shit, I've never even thought about doing some shit like this, but I obviously should do some shit like that's a great idea. Fuck, that's a great idea. Okay, yeah, you know what? I was already going to think about what I'm going to do is take a few, when I'm promoting the book, I'm going to take a few, like, pages and stuff out the book and do a YouTube video and just drop some of the sauce and then say, okay, now, obviously, if you want more, I'm not going to give all the sauce, but I would probably take a page out of my book, that saying, and I go ahead and take a page on my own book to put on YouTube. You feel me? I was thinking that as well. So we're on the same page here. Oh, speaking of page, no pun intended. Y'all can get a free page or free preview. Download a free chapter. Yep, come fuck with me. I'll let that. Okay, yep. We can put this there. 50 million funding secured. Now I like it. Look at bruh, they done found somebody. This is wild. What our students say. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put on my testimonies right here. Yeah, nah, AI is undefeated, nigga. If y'all aren't on AI, I don't know. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, this is hard. I would have moved this more up to the top. This would have been quicker. I don't need all the extra shit. Oh my god, yeah. If y'all not getting with AI, bro, I don't know what y'all doing, you know what I'm saying? If y'all need some more tips, too, about AI and all that type of stuff, tap in with me or subscribe and stuff, because I got some crazy shit and ideas. This is just the tip of the iceberg. I done built a website. I done built the whole email marketing back-end funnel. I'm about to build my funnel right here. This is about to be my landing page to start my funnel, like, bro. And I just built this in 5 minutes, bro. Today, I literally just signed up for this web hosting. You feel me? Y'all gonna have to tap in. I ain't gonna tell you right now, but look, I just signed up for this web hosting today and got this new site. You feel me? I made an upgraded site. We're upgrading everything around here. So I said, and I knew AI, I could use AI to build my site now, but I didn't know, dude, this coming out this clean. This is fresh. So I tried a few other ones, but I like this one. Sheesh, yeah, damn, nobody doing it like this. So yeah. I'm going to start teaching you a little bit more about AI, too, talking about it on YouTube. And I might put together a little course, too, to kind of help you guys. But I got some crazy ideas and some stuff right now that I can't even share, bro. I'm going to be real. I can't even share. Like, you feel me? It's too much sauce. If I tell some of these shit, niggas could take over the world. You feel me? I'm on some shit right now. Like, I could take over the world with the type of information I know. You feel me? So if y'all really want to get to that, tap in with me with the unlimited gems. You feel me? It's 1,000. That's 1,000 for the unlimited gems. And you feel me? You're going to learn all my courses, get all my courses and sauce. Plus, you're going to go ahead and get all my courses, 2-hour call with me, one-on-one. We can go over anything you want, any of the courses, and I can teach you all about this AI, the secrets, the sauce, about how to use it to market, how to use it to blow anything up. You feel me? Like any website. And also, you feel me, you're going to get a year access to the unlimited gems chat, where there's over 30 heavy hitters all up in there. We all know all the sauce. So we're just on everything, you feel me? Super tapped in, exclusive club, you feel me? So it's 1,000 to join, you feel me? Just tap in, you feel me? You can join the membership, get your mentorship, you feel me? And then we can chop it up one-on-one. And I'm going to talk about all this stuff. And on the group calls, we do like monthly group calls. I'm going to talk about stuff like this too, you feel me? But yeah, let's get it. Sauce go.